So I have something super exciting. I know I haven't done YouTube in like fucking years. And I went through a lot of fucking cars, but we're gonna get all that caught up today. What we're working on, so I'm trying to get back into my YouTube thing, is we're going to be doing a Scat Pack exhaust on a 2019 Chrysler 300 with the 5.7 Hemi. So this exhaust right now is in the back of this U-Haul truck. So we heading over to exhaust shop. Has the valves and everything. So eventually at some point I'm gonna try to get those to work. But for now, we're gonna get it installed. We're gonna have the valves pretty much set to open, and we're gonna let this thing rip. We're gonna have some fun with it and take you guys along and see how this turns out. So far I didn't really test fit it, but I put it under the car and kind of see how everything lines up, and it's literally looks like plug and play. Everything should just, all the hangers except for the last two in the far back, that's going to need to be modified because that hanger is straight, and on the Chryslers it's sideways. So that's the only one that needs to be modified. Everything else should just bolt right up. Probably might need to change the cats, add a little piece to make it 2.5, since it's probably a different size, but should turn out great and it should fit without any issues. And all these people are literally in my way. Hurry up. So I'll catch you guys up once it's all done. Is that a Supra? So at the exhaust shop now, there's the exhaust there on the ground, right there. It's gonna be going on my 300. So right now it already has a exhaust, just straight pipe, and then little master for flex. All right, sorry about that. The guy asked me a question. So there she is. Yes, I know it says SRT in the front, and it's not SRT. But we gonna put SRT parts on it, so that makes it SRT in my mind. No fucks given. Let's get it. So this is what it sounds like now currently. It's loud on cold starts, but then after it warms up, it's not too loud. It's not too loud. So this Scat Pack exhaust might wake things up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Either way, it has a valve, so there's some benefits to having that new exhaust on there. Alright, so we're almost done with the exhaust on the 300. It's a little dirty right now, but got the first tip on. It just came in the mail today, so pop the second one on and see how it sounds. So just a quick recap. This is a catback exhaust system. So from the catalytic converter all the way back is a exhaust with the active exhaust valves. You see it right there. This is off of a 2015 Challenger. And then I just ordered the tips for the Scat Pack charger, and it fits perfectly. And that valance is from the SRT 300, even though we don't get it here in America, but you can still order that rear valance. So let's hear what she sounds like. This is gonna be a warm start though.